Hello guys, welcome to Cyberman443 official YouTube channel. In this course we are going to go through colors and web design, all the basics and somehow into advanced. First of all, I have to introduce myself. I'm Cyberman443. I have more than 7 years of knowledge and full in details experiment with almost all programming languages, ethical hacking and cybersecurity. And Cyberman443 is my new identity, and believe me, a good one. In this part, we're gonna go through our colors roadmap that we will learn in this course. First of all, what's color? Then color theory and history, then colors and web, then color wheels, then color schemes, then color brands, color psychology, color of the year, and color standards. First of all, what's color? Color is defined as the aspect of things that's caused by different qualities of light being reflected or emitted by them. To see color, you have to have light. When light shines on an object, some colors bounce off the object and others are observed by it. Our eyes only see the colors that are bounced off or reflected. The first person to discover the link between color and light was scientist Sir Isaac Newton. Now we know about color. Let's go to color theory. In this part we are gonna learn multitude of categories, definitions and concepts about color. Color theory, the color of light. Sir Isaac Newton developed the theory that all colors are mixtures of red, green and blue. This resulted in the first known color circle in 1666. The color of paint. In 1766, the scientist Moses Harris created the first color wheel to classify red, yellow and blue as the primary color. Moses Harris worked with paint, Newton worked with light, following a theory by a French painter that all colors are mixtures of red, yellow and blue pigments. Mixing colors, primary and secondary colors. Primary colors are the three pigment colors that cannot be mixed or formed by any combination of other colors. These primary colors are red, yellow and blue. All other colors are derived from these three hues. Secondary colors, orange, green and purple, are formed by mixing the primary colors. And tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are made by mixing one primary and one secondary color in a color system. Now, because this colors course is a part of web development, full courses that are just a playlist in my channel that will go through different programming, languages and frameworks in web development. So this colors course will be part of it. So a web developer has to have the knowledge of colors, full in details, to develop a perfect colors used web app. With CSS, colors can be specified by color names, RGB values, hexadecimal values, HSL values and HWB values. That HSL values are only supported in CSS3 and HWB values are only supported on CSS4. HTML color names. All modern browsers support 140 color names. We have to remember that color names can be written by uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. All HTML colors names are a member of a color group. Color groups are consist of many colors close together, like pink colors, red colors, blue colors, and so on. The combination of red, green, and blue values from 0 to 255 gives a total of more than 16 million different colors to play with. Like you can see, 256 multiplied to 256 multiplied to 256. Most modern monitors are capable of displaying at least 16,384 colors. The picture that you see on your screen has all 16 million colors in it. that you can see some of them and you can't the others. Color pickers are online and offline tools that are used to pick a color from a range of colors as different color values results. By HTML color mixer, we can mix more than one color together to create a new color and use it in our project. By HTML color converter, we can convert a specific color from one color value to another color value to get different color values result. RGB color values are supported in all different browsers. An RGB color value is specified with RGB, red, green and blue. Each parameter, red, green and blue, defines the intensity of the color as an integer between 0 and 255. For example, RGB 00 to 155 is rendered as blue because the blue parameter is set to its highest value and the others are set to 0. Hexadecimal color values are also supported in all browsers. A hexadecimal color is specified with RR, GG and BB. RR means red, GG means green and BB means blue, or hexadecimal integers between 00 and FF, specifying the intensity of the color. For example, 0000FF is displayed as blue because the blue component is set to its highest value, FF, and the others are set to 00. HSL color values are supported in Internet Explorer 9+, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and in Opera 10+. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. HSL color values are specified with HSL, hue, saturation, and lightness. Hue is a degree in the color wheel from 0 to 360, where 0 is red, 120 is green, and 240 is blue. Saturation is a percentage value. 0% means a shade of gray and 100% is a full color. Lightness is also a percentage. 0% is full black and 100% is full white. CMYK colors is a combination of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Computer screens display colors using RGB color values. Printers often present colors using CMYK color values. CMYK is not supported in HTML, but it's suggested as a new standard in CSS4. CMYK color values are specified with CMYK. Cyan can be by percent, magenta, yellow, and black. A color gradient specifies a range of position-dependent colors usually used to fill a region. Hue is just another word for color. Simply put, each position around the color wheel represents a different hue. Color value is a term for how light or dark a color is, from white to black. These three examples change the lightness and darkness for red, orange, and yellow hues. Saturation is about intensity. Highly saturated colors are bright. Desaturated colors have less pigment. These three examples change the saturation for red, orange, and yellow hues. A color wheel is an illustrative organization of colors around a circle, showing the relationships between primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. The RGB red, green, blue color wheel represents the three light sources used to produce colors on a TV or computer screen. Primary colors are red, green, and blue, and secondary colors are created by mixing primary colors. Like red and green is equal to yellow, green and blue is equal to cyan, and blue and red is equal to magenta. The RYB red, yellow, blue color wheel is used by painters, artists, and designers for blending pigment colors. The three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue, and secondary colors are created by mixing primary colors. Like the three secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. Red and yellow, orange, yellow and blue, green, and blue and red is equal to purple. Color schemes are logical combinations of colors on the color wheel. The purpose of a color scheme is to create an aesthetic feeling of style and appeal. A chromatic color scheme. The black and white chromatic color scheme is the default color scheme for a web page. The white and black chromatic color scheme is often preferred for smaller devices. White and black requires less energy, improves battery life, and most display technologies. Monochromatic color schemes are easy to create because they use only one color. Monochromatic schemes use different tones from the same angle and the color wheel, the same hue. Analogous color schemes are also easy to create. Analogous color schemes are created by using colors that are next to each other and the color wheel. Complementary schemes are created by combining colors from opposite sides of the color wheel. Triadic schemes are made up of hues equally spaced around color wheel. Compound schemes are almost the same as complementary schemes. Instead of using colors that are opposites, it uses colors on both sides of the opposite hues. A color palette in the digital world refers to the full range of colors that can be displayed on a device screen or other interface, or in some cases, a collection of colors and tools for use in paint and illustration programs. The color palette reveals a lot about the electronic design of the device or technology and its visual capabilities for human users. Brand colors are a key component to a brand's visual identity. Typically, there are 3 to 8 designated colors that create a color palette complementary to the brand's personality and style. Like here we have some examples of brand colors, like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and Twitter. Colors can influence human behavior. Colors can influence human perceptions. Colors can influence the taste of food. Colors can influence attractiveness. Here we have some colors with their meaning, like yellow, happy, energetic, intellectual, joyful. Orange, excited, courageous, comfortable. Red, anxious, powerful, energetic, angry. Purple, luxurious, high quality, authentic, spiritual. Blue, cold, somber, peaceful, tender. Green, natural, hopeful, soothing, and tender. Since 2000, the Pantone Color Institute has declared a particular color Color of the Year. Twice a year, the company hosts in a European capital a secret meeting of representatives from various nations' color standards groups. After 2 days of presentations and debate, they choose a color for the following year. Like here, we have some of them. Color of the year for 2016 was rose quartz. For 2017, greenery. For 2018, ultraviolet. For 2019, living coral. For 2020, classic blue. For 2021, ultimate gray. For 2022, very pale. The most effective way to communicate your exact color specifications is through the use of a physical standard that has been created to accurately represent your product or package. It's as simple as saying match this to your suppliers. Custom color standards by Visual Color Systems are designed to precisely communicate your colors and other appearance factors to everyone involved in your production and quality control processes. No uncertainty and no errors due to matching numbers instead of colors. Like here we have some examples of color standards, like Federal Standard 595C colors, British Standard colors, RAL K5 Classic colors, NCS colors, Crayola colors, and Resin color. And thank you so much guys for watching until now. To support us more and to give us energy for creating more videos, just subscribe our channel, hit the bell button, like this video and share it to your friends.